mind. You must think that I'm fucking stupid, man. If you think I'm gonna hang with a program, some full schedule, I don't give a shit about what is or what isn't cool. I make the rules, I stand alone. And if they try to leave them hanging on the telephone, one of these days I'm gonna get sectioned. How about they even say it's from my own protection? Rejection leads straight to correction. Look out, here comes a strange injection. They got a drug to numb my erection, but they won't take this from me. My state of mind.